Let's continue our journey with Google Docs and all of that. So we're gonna go and this time create a chart that it represents the data visually, and the user and everyone who reads your column text or maybe your just anything, your document, so they understand it better. So the way you can insert, go to the insert, and then in here you have chart sections. So in here you can decide whether you want to have some bar or column, line, pie, or you can decide to just import from the Google Sheets. For now, let's go with the pie, for example, okay, and really learn about it a little bit. Or you can go with line as well, or column or bar, okay, but for now, let's go with the pie and do a little bit example, and then you understand. So I'm going to click right now. As you can see, there are 4 teams, okay, team number 1, team number 2, and 3, and 4. So as you can see, they got scored, okay, points scored. So team number 1 got 21%, and team number 2 32%, and team 3 10%, and team 4 4%. And now you can see the data. Now it's visually is better to see the data, because you can see the team number 4 did better on that. So and it worked well for the team number 4. How you can edit this one, how you can edit, so you can click in here and you have lots of tons of options and about it, like size and rotation, adjustment, all image, and so it's like an image. But the way you can edit is just click over it, and once you click over it, there you have the and you can double click on it. All right, so we're gonna click on here and open source. And so whenever you double click, it doesn't change anything. Okay, sorry for that. So you go to here and you say open source. Once you open the source and you have everything there. For example, you have team number 1, team number 2, team number 3, and team number 4, and you can see its preview as well in here, and that's fantastic. For example, let's say team number 1, or say group number A, yeah, is this one, and this is group number B, and group, so group is better, I think. Group number C, oh, that's not a group, and number C, and group number D. So you can see right now group number D got the highest point possible. So that's it about it, okay? You can insert chart using that, and be sure to update it each time. So you can click in here, and right now it's updated group D, group C, group A, and B, all right? So don't forget about it. And you have always to open the source, okay? And if you don't, so you cannot edit this one. Let's go with the column text as well, with the column chart, or with this column one, and see what we can create. So let's click. So there you go. It's the same thing, but it's the same data, but you can see it's period number 1 and period number 2. So team number 1 at period number 1 got this much score, but at period number 2 got really good score. And team number 2, 3, 4. Now you can see team number 1 did well from every of the but no, team number 4 is way better than team number 1, because okay, it's at least 50 or 60 or 70%, but this one is 20%, okay? And at period number 1, their team number 1 was a total failure. All right, and you can click in here and you can open the source anytime, and you can edit that to understand, to make the user understand the data better. And that's about it, okay? There you go, period number 1, period number 2. We have every team in here, and possibly we can do a lot of work with it. For now, okay, we're gonna help you, and we're gonna learn one thing, okay? In the next lecture, I'm gonna create you an example of a project that you can use in yourself, okay, to really build the good chart of the real data. All right, see you there.